In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Gmail, a skill that can save you a lot of time and help keep your inbox organized. Filtering emails allows you to automatically manage your incoming messages without having to go through each one manually. So let's dive in and make your Gmail experience more streamlined. First, we begin by opening Gmail in your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, look to the upper right corner of the Gmail interface and find the gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Clicking on this will bring up a drop down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select See All Settings, which will take you to the main configuration area of your Gmail account. In the settings section, you'll notice several categories across the top. Look for the tab that says Filters and Blocked Addresses and click on it. This section is key for managing your filters, as it not only allows you to create new filters but also to view or modify any that you've already set up. Now, to create a new filter, you'll see an option that says Create a New Filter. Go ahead and click on that. A window will pop up allowing you to specify the criteria for your filter. For today's example, let's say we want to filter out promotional emails. In the subject field, type the word promotion. This lets Gmail know that any email containing promotion in its subject should be included in the filter. Once you have entered the desired criteria, click on Create Filter at the bottom right of this setup window. This step will lead you to the next page, where you decide the action Gmail should take on these filtered emails. For instance, you may wish to automatically delete certain promotional emails. If that's your choice, simply check Delete It. Doing this tells Gmail to automatically move these emails to the trash without putting them in your inbox first. Finally, once you've selected the action, confirm by clicking on Create Filter again at the bottom of the options list. From here, Gmail will start applying this filter to incoming emails. Remember, while this example focuses on deleting promotions, you can customize filters based on various other criteria, like sender or specific keywords, to better suit your needs. That wraps up today's tutorial. By following these steps, you'll find managing your Gmail inbox becomes much more efficient. With filters in place, your emails are organized instantly, saving you both time and mental energy. Try experimenting with different filters to see what works best for you, and watch as your email management becomes effortlessly efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.